Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to learn notes on violin. Begin by setting up properly. Relax your neck, rest the violin on your shoulder, and align your left hand. Start with open strings and slow bow strokes to hear a steady tone. Tune the instrument before practice and use a tuner to check pitch. Keep practice sessions short and focused, aiming for clarity and consistent bow control each day. Place fingers deliberately on the fingerboard and practice finding each note slowly. Use a small sticker or tape on the fingerboard to mark first finger positions if you need visual help. Play each fingered note repeatedly with open string reference to train muscle memory. Check with a tuner to ensure accurate intonation and adjust spacing. Gradually remove markers as your ear and fingers learn the positions naturally. Start with short, focused practice sessions and build consistency rather than length. Work slowly with a metronome to lock in rhythm and intonation, then increase speed only when notes stay accurate. Isolate tricky passages and repeat them in loops, then reintegrate into the piece. Record your practice occasionally to hear progress and identify problems. Celebrate small wins and stay patient, because muscle memory and ear training grow gradually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.